One of the core values here at J29 Creative has always been giving. As a team, we hone in on the idea of giving without asking for anything in return. Every day we see an opportunity to be able to give. That doesn't matter if it's for our colleagues or our clients that we deal with. It's what's done behind closed doors that people don't know. Our team really go out of the way, day in and day out, in order to serve our clients. We do a lot with the community. At the same time, we do a lot for our clients. There's beauty in just being able to give and see what we can do. When you meet with J29 initially, we give away a free consultation because we want to hear you out and really understand who you are and what you're about. We engage with you to learn about your business. I know a lot of other digital marketing agencies, they charge per hour with the initial consultation because, hey, you're taking away time from them. I know in the business world, time is very valuable. This is a perk that we can really give back to anyone that really meets with us. And if they don't decide to go with J29, that is fine because then they leave here with something of value. And at the end of the day, it's all about giving value.